What's up, y'all? It's Camper Rips. Let's get into this 2024 hanger.
Maybe it's time to change your phone.
Crazy. Dude, I want you to get in this thing. What is going on? Wow. That was super difficult to open for no reason. Holy crap. Alright, let's see what we got here. I've never opened one of these, so that's crazy. It didn't come in like an actual pack. It just came in some clear plastic. Wow. Alright, cool. Let's start this off. We're going to have a rookie card of Malik Washington. We're going to have a rookie card of Marvin Harrison Jr. That's nice. We're going to have a Najee Harris, Daniel Carlson, Torrey Taylor, Braden Allen, Braylon Allen. Got a Jalen Reed. Alright, we're going to have a select cutout of Rico Dowdle. We're going to have our black and gold prism select Rome Odunze. Rookie card, beautiful. Michael Penix Jr. rookie card. Oh, that's a good one there. That's a good one there. Beautiful. I'm gonna have to sleeve these up immediately. You got a Rashid Rice. Prism. Very nice. We're gonna have a Bucky Irving Select Certified, which is nice. Beautiful. It's also a rookie card. Gonna have an Aiden Hutchinson on the future. Aiden Hutchinson, Detroit Lions. It's a pretty card. We're gonna have a Justin Herbert on the turbocharged. Alright, we're gonna have a Bijan Robinson. That's a pretty cool card, number 7. This is number 3 of this. That's pretty cool. We're gonna have this Rashid Rice base card. Pretty cool. Gonna have a DeMarcus Ware, Amon St. Brown, Jahmyr Gibbs, and a Lamar Jackson. Very nice. So our hits were the Michael Penix Jr. on the rookie, this Rashid Rice on the prism, the Rome Odunze on the rookie prism, and the cutout of Rico Dowdle. Hell yeah, thanks for tuning in to Camper Rips.